Back at it again, folks, and I wanted to show you all what we're doing right here. These are actually our fillers. As you can see, this beautiful dry creek bed is something that we've been able to give our customer, but we wanted you to see one of the ways in which it can help you as a homeowner, or maybe you're a landscaper and you're looking for an effective way to deal with your landscape drainage that your customer currently has. As you can see, this beautiful dry creek bed complements an area that once looked like this. And so when you think about the effectiveness of our dry creek beds, you know that they're going to last a lifetime because of the way in which we engineer them. Let me show you that. As you can see, there's going to be a little bit of an erosion control fabric that you can see, that black silk type fabric. I'm putting rocks there now. This is our filler. One of the ways in which we're going to be able to hide that, not necessary, but we put that in order to be able to give the landscape the proper ability to sustain the amount of erosion that's going to come over this area for some time. Now, what we've done is we've made this into a natural design and area whereby we're able to take in water flow. Now, as you can see, that water flow in most landscapes when you're in Georgia where we're at is that it gives you a hillside that normally doesn't allow for you to do really well with those conditions. And so what we've done, and we've done it really well in this neighborhood and a lot of the areas that are similar to this, if we come up with cost-effective landscape drainage solutions, and one of those solutions are our dry creek beds, and these are custom to Brooks Landscaping. You're not going to find another company capable of providing this type of installation, and it also says that it serves your landscape in the most effective way. Now, as you can see, a lot of times if you are in a position where you have a home similar to what we normally see, you have a very large gutter system, so that means there's a lot of water that's coming off of those gutters. And what it does, even on a day in which it wasn't raining, you see a lot of hillside erosion. And what we've been able to do effectively, folks, is come up with a solution to tie all of those into our custom dry creek beds, and we even are able to save your grass, making it look like we've never come before. And so that's what we do here. I wanted you all to see this as our fans over at the YouTube channel. I want you to click below and subscribe. We have over 1,000 videos on our Facebook page. All you have to do is go to Facebook and type in Brooks Landscapes. That's www.facebook.com/Brooks Landscapes. I want you to go to our website, www.brookslandscapes.com. You're going to see a lot of what we do on a consistent basis to help out homeowners, but you're also going to learn a lot of ways in which you can begin to utilize your landscape in order to turn it into the backyard oasis that you've always dreamt of. And so as I begin to take you just through a little bit of the other additions that we were able to do on this property, you'll see that the detail is really based on the way in which we are able to tie in all of these gutter downspouts. And when we do that, we are usually coming and doing it straight to a specific area. In this case, as you can see, the landscape doesn't allow for that type of design. And there had already been a landscaping company that came in and put these drain boxes in. These drain boxes are great, maybe because of the hillside, but they don't do really well if you don't attack the area that's supplying the majority of the water, and that's these gutter downspouts. As you can see, folks, they're absolutely ginormous, and they had a tremendous amount of water that comes out of them. So we've been able to not only deal with that problem, but we've also been able to slow down the process by which normally this customer's backyard is flooded with that water. That's what we do each and every time. And I wanted you all as a landscaper or maybe a potential homeowner to see some of the signs that you can begin to take advantage of. And I want you to be sure to subscribe to our page, because we have thousands of videos on our Facebook group, but we're also going to be doing new videos as much as we can to help you start to understand your landscape. That's what we do here at Brooks Landscaping. We make dirt look good like you never thought we could, and that's what we've done with this landscape. As you can see, in an exceptional fashion, we're able to replace that dirt and put that grass back almost as if it never even happened. I'll tell you what happened here. We put these erosion control fabrics here, and we also put this in the position to where it's able to take on water by putting our erosion control fabric with our river rock, and that just makes this landscape so much more accommodatable for the use of what we need it for. And that just definitely lets you know that that's always going to be something that you can expect with all of our designs. So I hope this gives you an idea of some of the ways in which you can start to take back landscapes that look similar to this, where the neighbor is producing a tremendous amount of water on your landscape, we definitely have a solution that should solve that problem for you once and for all.